Let's talk about past continuous. Past continuous or past progressive. Past continuous is used for talking about a past action, something that was happening in the past. Past continuous, ça c'est un temps que vous utilisez pour parler de un bagay qui t'a déroulé dans le passé. Un bagay qui t'a fait. To form past continuous or to make some sentences using past continuous tense to say that you were doing something in the past or someone was doing something in the past, you need subject pronouns. Do you know the subject pronouns? The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And after that, we need to be in the past. To be in the past is was and were. We say, I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, and they were. Good. And after that, we need a verb. We need an action verb. Action verb is whatever verb that expresses an action, a movement. Action verb, for example, to walk is an action verb. To teach is an action verb. To speak is an action verb. To jump is an action verb. There is a movement plus ing. Moi dis que pour moi former past continuous tense là, m'a besoin sujet. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. You know them. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And then m'a besoin de verb to be. To be au passé, past continuous tense. Alright? Was, were. Si m'a conjugué le verbe to be au passé, m'a dit I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. Good. Plus the verb, action verb. Plus yon verbe d'action. Un verbe d'action, c'est tout verbe qui exprime yon mouvement ou bien ouais yon action lorsque on dit yo. Par exemple, marcher, yon mouvement. Parler, yon mouvement. Danser, yon mouvement. English is good, man. Plus ing. Ou pral mette ing après verbe ça. Ça veut dire, you cannot use a verb that is not action verb to make past continuous tense. Ou pas qu'à utiliser l'autre verbe qui pas verbe d'action pour faire passé continu. And now, I know everybody understands past continuous tense. Moi, pense que tout le monde comprend past continuous tense là, oui. On t'y review, on t'y rappelle. Past continuous tense, pas dit moun ça non? C'est un temps yo utilisé pour parler de un bagay qu'on t'a fait, un bagay qui t'a déroulé. Par exemple, si t'es gon zimbo la kaywa, nan demain ou raconter voisine nan sa ki te gen nan quartier. C'est past continuous tense, oui. Voisine. Ah! What's I get? Le voisin levé, voisine nan frappe à terre, oui. Okay, this is past continuous tense. Pour former ou besoin sujet plus verbe to be, au passé plus verbe qui venir qui sont verbe d'action plus ing. Let's see now. We have a chart. In this chart, they are talking about Dana and Stan and then Jack. There are three people. Jack and then Dana and Stan. In this chart, they are talking about activities that Dana, Stan and Jack were doing in the past. Y a parlé de activités que Dana, Stan avec Jack t'a fait dans le passé. Soit matin, si moun yo nan so y a parlé de ça ou te fait matin, ou bien ça ou te fait hier. For example, for Dana, at 9 a.m., 9 o'clock a.m., Dana, you did drive to work. Drive. Kiki. Drive to work. Drive to work. Yeah. And then at 11 a.m., Dana and Stan, work. Work. Travail. At 1 p.m., Dana and Stan eat lunch. Eat lunch. And about Jack. Jack, at 9 a.m., Jack do the laundry. Jack, do the laundry. Okay, they say do the laundry. Now you're gonna talk about the action. Okay, what was Jack doing? And then at 11 a.m., Jack make lunch. Okay? Make lunch. And then at 1 p.m., Jack go to school. That's great. I think you understand. Let's go straight to the exercise. An ale nan exercice. Number 1, Jack. Jack! Yeah, Jack. This is Jack. At 9 o'clock. Jack at 9 o'clock. The question, me? I am asking you this question. What was Jack doing at 9 o'clock? Ki sa Jack ta fait à 9 heures nan matin? Dis-moi qui action Jack ta fait dans le passé. Okay, 9 a.m. Jack, do the laundry. Yes. Qui sa m'a fait kounya? Do you see? Do the laundry. You're gonna use the formula. Ou pral utiliser formule là. Subject. Who is the subject in the sentence? Jack is the subject. Qui est-ce qui est sujet dans la phrase là? C'est Jack. Good. Jack is the subject. We need the verb to be. Let's not conjugate verb to be au passé. Can I say Jack were or Jack was? Tell me in the comment. Dis-moi dans le commentaire. Jack was or Jack were? Ah! You say Jack were. It's Jack was. That's great. Jack was. If we try to replace Jack by a subject pronoun, we have he. Si nous remplaçons Jack pour un pronom personnel sujet là-bas, he. He was. Good. Let me write for you. Jack was. Do plus verb. Do plus ing. Doing. Doing what? Laundry. Laundry at 9 o'clock. That's okay. Very good. Very good. Number 2, Dana and Stan. Dana and Stan at what time? At 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. 11 heures matin. At 11 o'clock. You don't see? Look at it here. It's here. Dana, 11 o'clock. Work. Work. You see? 11 o'clock. Work. Good. What are we doing now? We need subject, subject. Dana and Stan, they are the subject. They. When you replace Dana and Stan by a subject pronoun, it's they. Le remplacer Dana avec Stan pour un pronom personnel sujet là-bas. They. Good. You say they and you say be. What do you say? They was or they were? In the comment. Dis-moi dans le commentaire. They was or they were? What do you say? They were. That's great. They were. Were. Okay. The verb to work. Work. Work plus the verb. Work plus ing. Ing. Good. Plus ing. We say Dana and Stan were working at 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, Dana and Stan were working. Were working. That's good. Let's see number 3. Number 3, they say at 11 o'clock, Jack. Listen carefully. They say Jack. Not Dana and Stan. It's Jack. We have to go here by this way. Jack. At 11 o'clock. À 11 heures, Jack. What was Jack doing at 11 o'clock? Qui sa Jack t'a fait à 11 heures nan matin? Jack, 11 o'clock, make lunch. Make lunch. That's great. Now we're gonna use the formula. Subject is Jack. Is the subject? Okay. B. Jack was or Jack were? Let me know in the comment. Jack was or Jack were? Est-ce que Jack was ou bien Jack were? Oh, you forgot it. Okay, it's Jack was. Jack was. Was. The verb is to make. To make. Make. Est-ce que n'a kembe e a pour mettre ing a? No, drop the e. Retire e a. Pour mettre ing a. Say, making lunch. Jack was making lunch. That's great. Let's see the last one. The last one is number 4. At 1 o'clock p.m., they are not talking about Jack anymore. They are talking about Dana and Stan. Okay? They say Dana and Stan at 1 p.m. They say eat lunch. Eat lunch. At 1 p.m. At 1 p.m., Dana and Stan, the subject Dana and Stan was aware. Dana and Stan was aware. Dana and Stan, do you remember that? Where? Dana and Stan were. Eat. ing. Eating. Eating what? Eating lunch. That's good. And now, my question for you. Give me the answer in the comment below. What was Jack doing at 1 p.m.? What was Jack doing at 1 p.m.? Qui sa Jack t'a fait à 1h dans l'après-midi? Qui sa Jack t'a fait? Dis-moi dans les commentaires. Écris phrase là pour moi. Vous dire Jack, est-ce que c'est was ou bien were? Et vous mettez verbe là. Vous mettez ing là-dedans. Et pour compléter là avec complément. That's great! If you love it, let me know in the comment below. But remember to say, what was Jack doing? Pas oublier pour dire qui ça Jack t'a fait dans les commentaires. My name is Daniel. Catch me later.